Good morning, parents. This is Mr. Williams again. Had a couple of days off making videos, but we're back ready to go for our next unit. We are moving into double-digit subtracting, and most of the strategies that we use for the addition part you're going to see them come back around for subtraction. So the kids should be used to these, and hopefully the transition from addition to subtraction will be a little bit easier, and the kids will be as successful as they were with the addition unit. So the first lesson today is the breaking apart with our ones category again. Just like addition, we're going to be taking a look at changing the larger number, but this time instead of rounding or going up to the next group of tens, we're actually going to go down to the next group of tens. So what that means is we're going to take the number 7 and we're going to break apart the 7 so that we can get 25 to come down to the group of 20. Now, how do we do that? Well, we are going to get rid of the 5s here, and that gives us with a leftover of 2, because 5 plus 2 does equal 7. But so our 5s would cancel each other out to get 25 down to 20. We're going to slide in the 2 from over here, and then we have a little bit easier of a count from 20 minus 2, which is going to give us the answer of 18. So again, another example is if we have 16 minus 9. Our goal is to get 16 down to 10. How do we do that? We're going to get rid of the 6, so that is one of our numbers, with a leftover of 3, because 6 plus 3 is 9. We're going to slide down the 3, and so now you can see here that we actually have a speed fact that we have been working on, and that's going to give us an answer of 7. All right. We're also going to kind of work on learning how to check our work to make sure that we are on target. So how are we going to do that? What we'll do is we will take our answer of 7, and then we are going to add it to our smaller number, and hopefully we will get our large answer, or a large number that we started with. And also that connects to that fact family idea that we worked on in the addition practice. And your kids brought home things that look similar to this. All right, so we'll do one more example. We'll make it a little bit larger, about 66 minus 9. We're going to get the 66 to move down to 60. How do we do that? Is that we get rid of the 6's in our 1 spot. We are left with 3 over here. Slide the 3 into our math equation. And then again, we have a little bit of an easier count with 60 minus 3, which is going to give us the answer of 57. And if we want to do a quick check, we could take 57, add it to our smaller number of 9, and hopefully that will take us to our 66. So again, tonight is called the break apart with ones, starting off with a single digit. It links to the addition break apart, where we were taking our large number and we were rounding it up to the next group of tens. But because we're doing subtraction for this whole unit, most of our goal is going to be taking the tens and moving it down to the closest tens. So hopefully tonight when your kids come home, they'll be a little bit more comfortable. This is what we're going to focus today in on class. And if you have any questions, you can always email me or give me a phone call, and I will help you out any way that I can. Thanks, and have a good night.